Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to magnify something on your video by using Inshot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Inshot app. Then tap on video and then select the video that you want to add. After selecting the video, tap on stickers here and then tap on details here. Now you guys can see magnify option, and after putting it on your video, it's time to add keyframes, and here focus on the thing that you want to magnify. Here I'm going to magnify the face of this girl here like this. You guys can also make it bigger like this and put where you want to add. Now let's watch the video. So this is how you guys can magnify something on your video by using Inshot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.